Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the action reload message. This video is just about this component and how this attribute here works. So here is one example that we use this attribute. So if we select Apple here, the Evm Advanced Message here, which we add, would reload and basically would display a modal message for us. That's basically what this component does. And we're going to talk about this attribute. What is the options that we have to actually trigger that component to reload? Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change that action to be just to use the checkbox. So then we can see how that works as well for checkboxes, and then how that works for a text, a pick list. And yeah, so basically this component here, as we can see here, it should, when it's set to true, we would reload the message that the template that it's associated with this component here, and the template you linked here. So I can even create a new template and show how it works. So here is, I have the EvoluteMessage. So if I create a new template here, let's say just a modal here, I'm gonna say demo out reload, and I don't need that to trigger, and I use say that screen flow and save, get this number Evm 13 and put that into here. So now if did I change the name? No. So I will change here just for out reload. So then we have a different name, and then we can see that that worked. So let me go back to my flow. I put the code here, and I would trigger this pop-up now only when the checkbox here is checked. The checkbox by default returns true or false. In this case, I'm doing the logic. If it returns true, I would trigger this, the modal. So do that, save, debug, close the other one. So now if I check, I should see the pop-up and it's the out reload. If I uncheck, I don't see anything. But if I check again, it would trigger the pop-up here. So the other example that I want to show is the for a pick list. How I would do for a pick list. So here I have to basically create a formula. So remember that the goal is to return a formula. So even I'm gonna say here is banana selected. So if I say here the choice of banana, it's equals to the DTL fruits. Check syntax. That's not need to set here to return a boolean. So if that is equals to banana, so that would be true, and then we would basically display the message here. So save, debug, close the other one, run, and if now I select banana, it would show here. And because I removed the checkbox, so the checkbox box is gone, it's only looking for the banana now. Yeah, so basically that's how it works. You can use the out reload to trigger that to any message. And remember, the out reload is not a display message. It's gonna just reload the message. If you want to display, hide, or show, use the set component visibility. And this one actually would reload, and the reload actually goes to the backend and get the information again from the message. As you can see here, if I ask to reload, I have that information. Without even refresh the message, if I change this to v1 and publish, without refreshing the message, it should get the latest information because it actually goes to the backend and get the information, which means that all the rules that we have here for the pop-up would be triggered again. So keep that in mind for the auto reload. And basically that what this video is about. It's only for this. I am creating a video for each of these fields here for the advanced flow. And I also create a video talk about scenarios as well. So you can check that about in your videos. And also you can go to our documentation here for more information as well. And if you have any scenario that you'd like to discuss or you'd like to ask if we support, please just contact us and I'll be glad to help. Thank you very much.